Yo, what's up guys? In today's video we're gonna be playing some Animal Company. Pretty different, eh? So let's get into it. And not just normal Animal Company. We're gonna be playing some Animal Company Arena. So what you have to do is you have to shoot guns at people and you have to break their crystals to get the thing. And yeah, it's my first video off of Animal Company. I hope you enjoy. See ya. Let's get into it. Okay, let's go to map. I think I'm on blue.
Alright, that's how weird you are.
Wait, no.
You big cheese ball.
Oh no, you do!
You big man! You big man! Oh my god!
Get on there. Big man.
Go!
GG.
Go here! Go here! Go here!
We're going to the mall, man.
Go! Go! Go up here!
Only a blue team driver.
Yeah,
I didn't think you're doing that. Yeah. Hey, GG, bro. GG. GG, bro. GG. GG, bro.
Bro, what does it mean?
GG, bro. Hey, GG, blue team. GG, blue team.
What?
But y'all know the drill. Jump the turtle. Jump the turtle. Jump him. Yo.
Okay.
Bro, can I join Popcorn?
I know you're not trying to join the red team, bro. No, you stay on your blue team. Who? That guy, the purple guy.
I can't buy anything. I'm broke as. Hey, yo.
Attack!
Bro, what's taking you so long?
Get him!
Wait, what? You can hurt people?
You big man!
Dami Younger? Mine.
Bro.
Sorry. I'm just kidding. Okay, I feel.
It's a big man! It's a big man! Come on! It's a big man! It's coming!
Dang it.
Stop spawn camping!
Oh, it's too late.
Oh, we won.
We already won.
Bro,
Way
what?
too quick, bro. GG.
That's a world record.
GG, bro.
Bro.
GG. Y'all already know the jump that turtle. Jump that turtle. Get him.
Hey, look, turn left.
Oh, dang, bro. We made him leave. Okay, then jump a new blue guy.
I got a ball!
Jump the purple. Jump the purple guy.
Yeah.
Jump purple. Get him. Yo.
Ah.
Get him.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Let's go.
We got him. Yeah. Red team.
Someone help me. Someone
Now
help
you
me.
need to stay down there and think about what you've done.
I didn't do anything. I just got touched. Please help.
We got him.
Please help.
Wait, you wanna go in back in? Bro, I'm just trying to.
Dami Younger. Headshot. See ya, bud.
There's somebody under the map!
What the heck? What the heck?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so, Purple, but nice try.
Dami Younger. I so bad.
Play already!
Okay, bro. I think I'm going into.
Hey, GG. Hey, y'all already know what to do.
Okay, I'm out of this lobby, bro. That lobby was too chaotic.
Us
Yes,
rushing
the
isn't gonna
monster
do
on the red
anything.
team.
Now that you just screamed rush, they're gonna
Like for blue.
Now that you screamed
Blue
rush,
for red.
they're beating my cheeks. They're beating my cheeks.
What?
They're hitting my cheeks. They're hitting my cheeks. That's what I'm hitting.
Green
Didn't you just tell us to run? Tickle my tickle. Tickle my tickle. I'll buy
What the crazy shots though?
I need to lock in then. I gotta lock in.
I did hit him.
Broke.
No, this.
Stop. Oh, you think you're flick or something? I'm on to you.
I'm on to you. Damn!
Whoa.
I think that guy got badly injured. I should definitely be the one. Hold your head forever. We be good together. I'll make you special. I'll make you feel less stressful. Fix the holes in your heart. This is the idea. Just get shotguns and just go. What? They actually hit me out of the air. I'm pretty bad at this. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to
Come near me! Come near me!
down the what?
I got RPG.
You got one RPG.
Hold your head forever. Okay, this guy's hitting me everywhere. Bro! Now we just have an aimbotter.
Wait, how did he do it? Extra damage.
Hey guys.
Wait, what? This guy's aimbotting. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, I'm actually pretty self. Like well, I mean, he's definitely good at it. How did we get defeated?
We need better defense. I think I was doing it. Go see, you gonna run a generation. Hey, I got 19. We only got 3 people. We just need like 1 or 2.
I got 25.
Bro, when
I got
when
19.
all
Half the time.
Bro, when all of them start rushing at us, it would be a smart idea to go
Maybe
to
if
their
the
base.
defenders weren't using pistols.
Bro, everybody
we'd
just
actually
go
get
on
a
blue
lot
team. It's
more.
just
We need better
What's the
defense.
need?
We need better defense, and we need to start attacking more.
Was this Bowser?
Woo! Yeah! I own this place! Ah!
Okay,
Let's go.
I'll try to defend.
Remember, better defense.
Oh, bro, okay.
My room is so far. Bro, we need defense. We need defense.
But keep a spare revolver for me just in case.
Okay, I actually know what I'm gonna do. So, I use these first.
Bro, we need better defense. We need way better defense.
Okay, here we go. Okay, bro. They're hitting me out of the air. Really?
Shut up.
That dinosaur's aim's really good.
Shut up, you big booty.
Okay. You know what, guys? That should be the end of the video. Peace. See you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. No pressure.
You camping little bitch.
Yippee.